Okay, as you receive your name, as you hear your name, please come up to the stage for the certificate of recognition for the following group. Please come up to the stage for the certificate of recognition to Bayanihan of Turin. Any representative, please?
Somebody from Bayanihan of Turin, please. Please come on stage. Okay? Filipino community in Vienna.
Cugini and Friends of Turin.
Filipino community in Cuneo.
The Filipino Community Club of Geneva.
Associations of Filipino community in Imperia.
The One Ganap Guardians Group. One Ganap.
BGPI Guardians of Turin.
Filipino Senior Citizen of Turin.
Filipino community in Alba.
Ilocano Group of Torino.
Jesus Glorious Global Ministry of Turin.
Leadership and Social Entrepreneurship of Turin.
Kapampangan Group of Turin.
Tinquans Cordelier Group of Turin.
We have the Filipino Chaplaincy of Turin.
Jesus is Lord, Cuneo.
Jesus is Lord, Turin.
Unified Guardians of Milan.
Rosarian Group of Turin.
Professor Stefano Grifoni.
Abbiamo Dottor Claudio Nobler.
And Miss Laarni De Silva.
Yung mga tinawag po, please, dito po tayo sa stage.
Congratulations po sa inyo.
Congratulations po
Maraming
sa ating
salamat po sa
lahat.
inyong mga tulong. Ha? Salamat po.
Laarni De Silva. Laarni De Silva. Ayun po. Ayan.
Mr. Arnie De Silva.
Mr. Arnie De Silva, please. Ayan. Ayan, can somebody take a picture and Alfonso, gracias. Oh, ayan. Ayan, may grupo siya ng mga kabataan, mga aawit at musicians. Ayan.
Manigram.
At Manigram Award din. Milan.
Okay, Miss Pia. Mga kaibigan, naibigay po natin yung mga awards sa ating mga kinaukulang outstanding employer and whatever. At ngayon po, ay ipapasa naman namin sa aming dalawang MC kasama, si Rolly and Rysel, para po ipagpatuloy nila itong ating programa. Pasamantala po, kami ni Miss Pia ay bababa muna to give you our another set of good and outstanding MCs. Rolly and Rysel.
What about a round of applause for Miss Pia and Sir Audrey? Alright, thank you, Job well done, Sir and Ma'am. And of course, at this point of time, kung lahat po ng mga nanalo kanina at award, maraming salamat at congratulations po sa inyong lahat. And aside from that, kung hindi man kayo nanalo kanina at na-awardan, ito na po yung pagkakataon nyo, mabigyan naman ng mga prizes. Dahil ngayon, ay magkakaroon na tayo ng raffle draw.
Okay, so we will be having 15 consolation prizes. May we call on stage Engineer Borja, Honorary President and Advisor, and also Vice President, so that is Vice President Mr. Bridge Briwega. Please join us on stage to give our raffle draw prizes.
Yan, nandito pa ho ba kayo? Kasama pa ho ba namin kayo? Pwede ho ba kayong pumalakpak ng malakas? Ayan, meron pa ho tayong kasama. At kung hindi, gaya ho na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kung di man kayo na-awardan kanina, baka ito yung pagkakataon niya manalo naman ng mga special prizes. Of course, courtesy pa rin ng ating mahal na sudalis.
So,
alright.
ilabas na po ang ating mga tickets.
May we have our Tampiolo here, sir,
first consolation prize.
with 15 names from the
15
15 po.
So take out your tickets and check your ticket number.
So habang binubunutan ng ating mga kasamahan dito, baka next year kayo naman po ang pwedeng pagkalooban ng mga awards. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations niya for next year. Okay, ito yung mga mananalo ng 15 consolation prize.
So
We have
let's start with the first winner. Care of Sky. Ticket number 985. Congratulations, Summer.
okay, ticket number 0337, Robbie 320273840. You are a winner.
Our next consolation prize winner is Mr. Alan Ilagan. Ticket number 0888. Congratulations to you, sir.
Sa lahat po ng mga mananalo, pumunta na po kayo dito sa harapan at kunin nyo na po ang inyong mga special prizes. And we have Camelo Nunez.
Okay, our next winner is from Gonzola Milano. Io questi li conosco troppo.
Anch'io.
Allora, telephone number 339-536-6854. Ticket number 1084. Fortuna Cabral.
Alright, we have Vincent Alvarez.
Our
Vincent
next winner,
Alvarez.
care of Sheila, ticket number 0647. From Milan, Inter Pinoy family. Congratulations.
And now we have Liza Zapata. Pumalakpak po yung mga mananalo para alam po namin na nandito kayo.
And then we have another, I don't know if the same person to.
I think they are the same, Rafi.
Yes, once again, Rafi, 320273840, ticket number 0335.
Pag maraming binili, maraming mapapanalunan.
Yes,
Chance
more
to win, of
chances
course.
of winning.
Alan Ilagan. Oh, parang magkaroon pa. Alan Ilagan. We still have 5.
Okay, now we have our next winner, ticket number 969. Congratulations, Matthew. Congratulations, Matthew.
Matthew
Non si riesce a capire il...
Docino or whatsoever. Okay, si last Foggy. Care of Sheila. Last Foggy.
Okay, how many are we now? Milano, 327-774-6058.
And from Bergamo, we have Gemma Vital.
Another winner from Milano, ticket number 452. What is this? Mabel?
Manigram, Milano.
MoneyGram, 333-748-012.
So sa lahat po ng ating 15 consolation prizes, approach nyo lang po yung mga nandito at sila po magbibigay ng award. At ngayon, dadako naman po tayo sa 2 single bed comforters.
2 single bed comforters. So sa mga nais maging mas komportable sa pagtulog, ito po ang inyong ito po ang ating mga winners. Ticket number 0882. Again, Alan Ilagan. Nakakarami na to si Sir Ilagan, ah.
And of course, mananalo ka rin ng isang single bed comforter, Romano P. Bicolby. Sana tama yung pagka-pronounce ko. 0677 ang ticket number po. Ito po yung
Yan po yung dalawang winners of the 2 single bed comforters.
And at this point, of course, magkakaroon naman po tayo ng 3 boxes courtesy of Transventures Cargo. 3 po ang kailangan natin.
Tamang-tama, magpapasko.
Tamang-tama, magpapasko, magpapadala. Pagka hindi umabot, Happy Valentine's na lang po. Okay?
Okay, so our first winner.
Ang first winner po ng isang large box courtesy of Transventure.
Our winner is from Bergamo. Congratulations, Franchi Bautista. Ticket number 0934.
Siyempre, mananalo rin ng isang box si Camelo Nunez.
And our last winner
And
of
last
the
we
largest
have
cargo.
Renzo A.
Pokino, congratulations, Tia. Ticket number 0865. Okay.
At eto hawakan niyo po ang ticket number niyo dahil ang susunod na mananalo ay isang smartphone. Yan, pakihalo-halo raw ho sa baba. Isang smartphone.
Okay, then we would like to invite everyone to please remain with us because we still have a few set of persons to be awarded.
Alright, the winner of the smartphone. Right?
And
Amin na po
our
yung smartphone.
winner, asan ang smartphone? Oh, tamang-tama.
Guys, kung kayo ang matatawag, lumapit po kayo sa stage.
Okay, this is donated by Freeze Air. By
Freeze
Miss Eileen
Air.
Galicia. Thank you so much.
Eileen,
So, ang
nandito.
ating smartphone winner is none other than, she is from Bergamo. Cellphone number 366-546-2762. Ticket number 0913. Congratulations, Navarez Benya.
Talagang kebenya ng buhay mo because you have your smartphone courtesy of Freezer, Miss Eileen.
Now, we're down to our grand prize.
Okay, this one is 32 inches. Kung may TV na kayo sa sala, dalhin nyo na lang sa kusina. Isa na lang po,
Isa na lang
pakihalo
po.
raw po sa baba. Maraming salamat. Alright guys, this is it. Thank you Mr. Borja and thank you Mr.
Mr. Triwega.
Pri,
Maraming salamat
yeah.
po.
Wala ba tayong pang-surprise dyan? And the winner is...
And the winner of the flat 32 inches TV is ticket number 0873. Congratulations, Edgar Franco.
Clotilda!
Clotilda, okay. Congratulations po, you won a flat 32 inches TV.
Mukhang yung nanalo hindi na kailangan sa sala. Dalagay na lang sa banyo. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga winners. In the meantime, Rai,
And of course, thank you so much sa lahat ng bumili ng ating tickets.
thank you very much.
Okay, let's move forward.
And of course, to show appreciation for all the efforts and hard work of those behind this event, may we call on Ms. Evelyn Revilla, President of Sudalis and Friends, and of course, Mr. Ariel Lachica, Chairman of the Board of Federfield Italy, to give the plaque of appreciation to our regional partner organizer.
Per mostrare il proprio apprezzamento per tutto lo sforzo e il duro lavoro svolto di chi è dietro questo evento, vogliamo chiamare sul palco Miss Evelyn Revilla, President of Sudalis and Friends, and Mr. Ariel Lachica, Chairman of the Board of Federfield Italy, together with our Honorable Consul General Marichu Mauro.
Alright guys, this is it. Pagka natawag po yung pangalan nyo, pumunta lang ho kayo sa stage at sama-sama ho tayo dito para mabilis lang po. Okay, our lucky number 1 is none other than Mr. and Mrs. Ricardo and Jonah Bruega.
Vice President and Secretary of Sudalis and Friends Milan OFW Awards 2016 Milan Panel Consultant, sponsored by Dr. Fair C.H. Gigliado or Gilaldo.
We have also Mario Pedrialva.
President of FEDAP and Cuneo Philcom Federfield Italy Regional Board of Directors. OFW Awards 2016 Milan Chapel Consultant and Organizer, sponsored by Dr. Fersi H. Gilaldo. Then, Chris Esquivel,
President of Filipino Community Club of Genova, Federfield Italy Regional Board of Director, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Organizer and Panel Consultant.
Next we have,
Is sponsored by Dr. H. Gigliado.
also thank you, Mr. Antonio Tulawan Jr.
Federfield Italy, Campania Region, Napoli, Panel Consultant Sponsor, Dr. Percy H. Gigliado.
And also thank you, Apolinario Balcazar, Federfield Italy Regional Board of Directors, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Organizer, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
Parang umasiyan sila po pumunta dito sa stage, pumalakpak naman ho kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat sa 10.
Next, we have Lenny Vallejo, President Philcom Catania, Federfield Italy Regional Board of Director, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Organizer and Panel Consultant, sponsored again by Federfield Italy.
And of course, we have on the list Mr. and Mrs. Romy Lafuente and Carmen Perez, Secretary of Federation of Filipino Sports Association, and South Italy, Federfield Italy Coordinator and Organizer. Reggio Calabria, sponsored by Federfield Italy, Federfield Italy Officers OFW Awards 2016 Milan, sponsor of Targa.
The Targa is sponsored by Laba Odio.
Ponciano M.
Laban
Liguto.
Ponciano M. Liguto.
Isang piraso
And
yan.
we have, yes, 5 persons under them. Ariel Asis Lachica.
Doon ho kayo sa
So
kanya.
kayo daw po muna. Move on the center of the stage, please.
And of course, we have Ariel Asis Lachica, Federfield Italy Chairman of the Board of Director, OFW Awards Chairperson, Organizer, and overall panel consultant.
And of course, one of our hosts, Mr. Augusto Castillo Cruz, Federfield Italy Secretary General, OFW Awards MC and Vice Chairperson and Panel Consultant and Organizer.
Siyempre, nandiyan rin si Tessie Sarceda Pantaleon, Federfield Italy Board of Director for Finance, OFW Awards Panel Consultant and Organizer.
At syempre naman po, hindi po magpapahuli si Nori Argana, Federfield Italy Board of Auditor, OFW Awards Panel Consultant and Organizer.
Siyempre, susunod na natin si Lina Santos, Federfield Italy Treasurer, OFW Awards Panel Consultant and Organizer.
Let us also welcome Gupita Oliveros, Federfield Italy Board of Auditor, OFW Awards Organizer.
We have also Jimmy Nino Franco, Federfield Italy Board of Director for Legal Affairs Organizer.
We also have Restituto Renoblas, Federfield Italy Board of Director for Education Organizer.
And Federfield Italy Assistant Treasurer and Logistic Officer Organizer, Christy Bautista.
And last but definitely not the least, Federfield Italy Advisory Council, Social Media Representative, Panel Consultant and Organizer, Mr. Jeremiah Benjamin.
Alright, guys, palakpakan naman ho natin ang ating set of awardees. Let's have our photo ops. And after them, of course, we will call the rest of our recipient.
So our next set of awardees are sponsored by Dr. Jinky Garcia, Cultura Patronato Service, Rome, Italy. Let's start with
Efrentila, Federfield Italy Advisory Council, Security Council, OFW Awards, panel consultant and organizers, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
Next we have Efren Estrella, Federfield Italy Advisory Council, Senior Citizens Council, OFW Awards panel consultant and organizer, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
We have also Rodolfo Santos,
Federfield Italy Advisory Council, National Sports Director, OFW Awards panel consultant and organizer, sponsored by Pepita Bartolome.
and of course Marie Gumabon Lamy.
Federfield Italy Honorary Council, Executive Secretary, OFW Awards panel consultant, head and organizer, sponsored by Pepita Bartolome.
The Scorpion Digital Works.
Video and Photo Director, Federfield Italy.
And of course we have Willie Punsalan.
Federfield Italy Regional Board of Director for Toscana, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
And of course, last but no means least, we have Vladimiro Barberio, Federfield Italy Toscana Honorary Council, Patronato sponsor, Federfield Italy.
So there you have it. These are our regional partner organizers. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin ang ating partner organizers mula sa iba't ibang regions dito sa Italia.
Alright, let's hear some words from Mr. Vladimiro. May sarili siyang photographer at official photographer. Galing pa ng Toscana.
Io ho portato una sorpresa per il console generale. Come voi sapete, io collaboro con la regione Toscana. Sono consulente esterno. Ho portato sia il gagliardetto della regione Toscana, un attimo, questo è per lei, ma la cosa più bella è un pezzo unico. Come voi sapete, il Papa è venuto a Firenze e abbiamo fatto 1000 pezzi di questa medaglia, ricordo, che voglio consegnare al Console Generale di Milano.
Molto gentile, grazie, grazie signore.
Grazie, ultimo parola. This award, grazie di tutto sa lahat po ng organizers, kasama rin ng Sodales and Friends, lahat-lahat po. I dedicate this to my wife and my son. Nasaan ang aking mag-ina? Christian and Christy? Okay, thank you very much. And we have still the Working Committee Awards. Thank you very much.
Alright.
So now to give us, we will be awarding certificates to the individuals from the program committee and volunteers.
Working Committee's OFW Awards Milan 2016. And for your generous support and contribution, we have Pia Gonzalez.
And Feed President, Federfield Italy member, OFW Awards MC, sponsored by Pepita Bartolome.
We have Martes Malco.
OFW Awards 2016 Milan Head Program Committee, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
And of course, Knights Alcaraz.
Direct. OFW Awards 2016 Milan Event Director, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
We have Labor Attaché Ponciano Ligutom. Polo Rome Italy, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
At syempre po, please welcome Priscilla Medea Razon, Social Welfare Attached Rome, Italy, sponsored by Federfield Italy.
Christy Peña Cueva OFW Awards 2016 Food Head Committee.
Maraming salamat po. Also, we have Gloria Madriaga, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Food Committee Assistant Head.
And of course, we have OFW Awards 2016 Milan Finance Staff, Amelita de la Cruz.
We also have OFW Awards 2016 Recognition Day, Pinoy Runners, Milan.
Jocelyn O. Hapal, Welfare Officer, Milan.
Also, we have former staff honorary consul Reggio Calabria, Mr. and Mrs. Willie Rabolese and Caterina Marciano.
And of course, we have Alice Gusoni, TV 2000 for media coverage.
Okay, so maraming salamat po sa ating mga committees and volunteers.
Wala na tayong group picture.
And now we will call on all working committees to receive the certificate of appreciation. Let's start with Mr. Aldrin Pasqua, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Assistant Event Director, sponsored by Featherfield, Italy.
Julius Alvarez Ducanes, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Stage Director, sponsored by Featherfield, Italy.
And then we have OFW Awards 2016 Milan Technical Director, sponsored by Featherfield, Italy, none other than Crystal Divine Brosotto.
Miss Alice Gusoni, TV 2000 media coverage.
Next, please join us on stage, OFW Awards 2016 Milan Assistant Program Committee, Miss Rosel Onesa.
Jojo Abelio.
And then, please join us, Domingo Borja,
Leopoldo Dumanico.
Pamela Daza,
Alessia Francisco.
Epitasha M. Angsanco,
Jana Rauto.
Miss Shona De La Cruz,
Maricel Marie Mendoza.
Mira Averia,
Mel Malco.
Francisca Bautista,
Elisa Pamulaklaki.
Mr. Rosita D. Borja,
Rysel.
and Rolly.
Thank you.
We are your hosts for today. So thank you so much, Dilpo, for giving us this certificate of appreciation. So sa lahat ng staff, let us all remain on stage para sa isang group picture.
Lisa Alice Gusoni, TV 2000 media coverage. Just please. On stage.
Many.
Go ahead, guys. Venegas. Venegas. Just go ahead there now and let's have our photo. Doon po kayo. Alright, hawakan niyo lang po, ma'am. Alright, let's have our photo, please. Together, of course, Conjen and Mr. Lechica. The woman of the year, of course. Alright, maraming salamat po. And of course, hindi po magiging matagumpay ang programang ito kundi dahil sa ating mga mahal na sponsors, right?
Yes, thank you so much to Imperial Homes, OP La Majolina, Sodalis, sponsored by Nida Abello, Filipino Community of Bergamo, Bicolnon, Valitrans Metro Remit, Noble Life International Care of R.R. Padillo, La Multigrafica di Chefis and Seed, Tranor SRL Transporti Spedizioni Internazionali, A Global, Team MLM Netstars, Marites Mato, and of course,
Pili TV!
the Filipino Living in Italia Television.
And of course, Milan donors, benefactors, Santo Niño, Bergamo, Pinoy runners of Milan, Galina family, Eileen Galicia of Tris Air, Hilda Ventura of Trans Venture, Myra Averia, Francisca Bautista, and of course, Rosa Borja, Tezia Acuna, Lisa Pamlaklagin, Tess, Anga Chanco, Chona from Guardians Milan, Olive Villanueva, Nancy Scalona from Bergamo, and we have Silvia Surovis and of course, Engineer Domingo Borja. May we call on Miss
May we call on Miss Ana Montini of PDTV to receive her certificate of appreciation. Okay, palakpakan po natin si Miss Ana Monzini. So to those who are wondering what is PDTV, PDTV is an application available soon on Apple Store and Google Store na kung saan mapapanood nyo po ang OFW Awards 2016 through PDTV. So start registering for PDTV will be launching very soon.
All right, thank you very much. And of course, we have also a media supporters in Milan certificate of appreciations. We have a TFC Milan, GMA7, and Akoya Filipino. And all right, guys, thank you sa lahat ng aming mga media partners. Hindi na namin patatagalin ito because we will call on
to give us her version of Patuloy ang Pangarap, a gold and silver medalist year 2008 in World Championship of the Performing Arts held in Hollywood,
California.
To my amore, please welcome Miss Abby Dorado.
Hi, hello. Hi, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I just want to thank Sodalis and the gang for inviting me here. Tita Beng, for you at maraming salamat po. And para po sa inyong lahat. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Hindi unting marating na buhay ko'y magigina. Patuloy ang pangarap. Hindi makapaniwala sa lahat ng nakikita. Lahat ng panalangin ko ngayon may kasunod. Lahat ng pinagdaanan at pinaghirapan, naubusan ng pag-asa. Ako'y nanalig sa isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Ako'y hinihimala ang lahat makakakita sa isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Hindi unting marating na buhay ko'y magigina. Patuloy ang pangarap. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, alam kong ako'y patungo sa marami pang tagumpay sa isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Ako'y hinihimala ang lahat makakakita sa isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Hindi unting marating na buhay ko'y magigina. Patuloy ang
Ladies and gentlemen, my amore. Miss Abby Dorado.
Grazie.
Patuloy kaming makangarap na magiging ganyan ang boses namin balang araw.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Abby.
Okay, so thank you again once again, Maya Mole, Miss Abby Dorado. We're down to our closing remarks, so may we call on stage the Vice President of Sudalis, Mr. Bridge Briguega.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. After everything has been said and done,
Kalahati lang tinabaho mo
I have no more to say.
Thank you.
Baka kakanta lang ako sa In Place of Si Boom kasi wala yata siya eh. Dito pala. Okay. Anyway, I would request everybody to stand up. Please, tumayo po tayong lahat. And I would respectfully request you to thank with a rousing round of applause. First, sa Federfield. Hey, Federfield. And secondly, sa Sudalis. Salamat, Sudalis. And of course, to our working committee, our program committee headed by Tess and Direct Nerds. Salamat. A big round of applause. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Ang ating food committee headed by Liza, kamulaklakin. Palakpakan natin po sila. Ang ating usherette and security committee, nandito sila lahat. A big round of applause, please. At ito ang gusto kong gawin natin. In the meantime, umiikot na to yung ating mga champagne. I would like to propose a toast for our, our success for this evening. Nandiyan po, umiikot yung ating champagne. At I would like to propose a toast for the overseas Filipino workers in Milan, in Italy, and throughout the world. Okay, let's prepare our glasses and our champagne. Please. Diyan po tayo magaling. Can I have my glass, please? And glasses also for our MCs. Are we ready?
Miss Pia.
This is for the victory of the overseas Filipino workers, not only in Milan, not only in Italy, but throughout the world. You know, we are selling more than $20 billion to our native country, so we are very proud of it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, cheers to the overseas Filipino workers throughout the world. Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Pinoy! Thank you very much. At magkita-kita po ulit tayo for the next year's OFW Awards. Hindi na tayo mag-saan. Thank you very much. And sa mga kabataan po, please say no to drugs. Please say no to drugs. Sa mga kabataan at sa mga magulang, please, yan ang number one natin. Sabihin sa ating mga anak, please say no to drugs. Okay. Chin-chin, mabuhay ang Pinoy.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Okay, maraming salamat po. We are all back here on stage. Apat na ulit kami. Really a pleasure na makasama ko ang magagaling na host ng Milan.
Thank you po sa inyo for having us, for inviting us to be one of the hosts for today's occasion. It's really an honor for us. Thanks so much.
Of course, makasama kayo at nagbigay ng oras sa amin, sa ating barangay na yung hapon ko. Kaya po, ang Tutorial Digital po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga collaborators, sa lahat po ng ating mga honorary officers, sa lahat po. Wala po kami pinupera, lahat po ng mga tao dito. We would like to thank them. Dahil po sa support nila, naging matagumpay ang ating palintunan sa paghahapon ko. Maraming salamat po!
Well, alright! So maraming salamat po for giving us a chance to work with this best people, bar none. Maraming salamat po for this opportunity. God bless everyone. And of course, before we leave, we want to acknowledge the President of Cebu.
To give us our finale song, Babalik Ka Rin, please welcome on stage, Boyan Chibum Caseñas.
Mayong gabi kami tanan. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga awardees. Okay.
bayan ko. Ako ngayon ay pauwi na kamangingin sa pag-ibig sa'yo, Mabuhay ang OFW. Thank you.
Once again, to sing for us, Babaling Karin, Boyan Shibum Casellas.
Thank you.
So please join us on stage, all of the officers of Venezuela, Italy. So that is officers, the working committee, the sponsorship, logistics, assurance, food committee.
Program Committee, Head Charles Marco Lugo. Ministerial Design, Usorio, Technical Assistant, Babalik.
Julius Johannes,
Babalik.
Event Director Nard Padilla.
Right, sir. Okay, roll to press. Bruce on switch. Babalik ka rin. Ay tagal na nawala, babalik ka rin. Babalik ka rin. Ay tagal na nawala, babalik ka rin. Babalik ka rin. Inyong pinagmulan sa inyong nakaraan, babalik ka rin, babalik ka rin, babalik ka rin. Anong layo ang narinig inyong maalala? Danny, the best DJ! Thank you, Tanji! Tuloy ang kasiyahan!
Walang ibang pagsasala sa pagtitingin ng dating.
Hello, Rachel!
Pinamamukas, isang amin yung dating awit sa atin ay sana magkalimutan. Dahil ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan.
Hello!
Napakailanman.
I love you, Martin!
Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan. Walang pagsasaya sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay di na mamakas itong awit na pag-ibig. Awit natin ang wala makalimutan. Pangako ko naman malaki ka pakikinggan. Ang isang pag-ibig ay walang lansangan. Dapat dalawahan, kaya sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
Give up the power for consolating Milan. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I would like to give an award to Shibu. I give an award to myself. Thank you so much. Since I'm the last performer tonight, I will give an award to myself.
Ragazzi, facciamo un applauso alla nostra console, ma fortissima, bravissima! Thank you so much, Consul General, for joining us on stage. And of course, Shibu and Abigail.
Shibu and Abigail, of course, Pop Daddy, the best DJ in Milan.
Thank you so much for a wonderful job. Thank you po sa inyo, Consul General. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The program has come to an end. We'll see you again next year for OFW Awards 2017. Have a great night and God bless you.
God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.